guys? I'm gonna do another little video real quick. So right now I'm meeting up with one of the homies. We're just doing like some content with our truck. Basically, we're gonna post up somewhere, take pictures and videos. Man, we go to Mexico real quick. You feel me? Some little fun runs in Mexico. But I'm gonna just meet up with that fool. He has a pretty clean truck. It's an F150 too. But I'm gonna meet up with that fool right now. And then the other homies might pull up. Maybe the homie Alberto, the one that's getting the ESS kit on his truck. His truck is still not ready, but he has a Silverado, a full bolt-on Silverado. He said he'll probably just pull up just to, you know, take videos, take pictures of our trucks at a gas station and shit. I wasn't really doing anything, so I'm like, fuck it. You know, let's make a little video for you guys real quick. Gotta stay consistent with that YouTube grind, you feel me? Bro, these fucking potholes by my house are deadly. I gotta go slow as shit because I've screamed my lip here so many times. You guys can see. Well, they're not potholes, it's like a drainage basically. And those shits are pretty fucking deadly. So I know people always get mad when they're behind me because I go slow as fuck because my lip right away starts scraping. But yeah, I'm gonna go real quick, the homie, meet up with him, see what we get into, you know, have some fun real quick. No homo, not like that. I got this hat from the homies from Cinco Hats. They sent it out to me. It's dropping on March 28th, so this Saturday. So if you guys are interested, it's a pretty clean hat. My hair look all crazy when I just got out the shower, but it's pretty clean, pretty nice hat. If you guys are interested in it, I know they have all kinds of stuff. They're also dropping shirts and stuff, so shout out to them for sending this out to me. So if you guys want to cop one, Cinco Hats on Instagram. See, there's another deadly ass pothole right here, bro.
Turn left to
look at the car behind me, how close the motherfuckers get to me. But yeah, I'm not too far from the homie. It's like 13-minute drive, so I'm just hop on the ferry real quick, get there really fast. But yeah. And also I just want to kind of talk real quick. So I'm trying to be more consistent with YouTube and stuff. You know, I've been on the grind, like trying to post at least once a week. Oh, I don't know if you guys hear that rattling. My muffler is hitting my frame. I think the hanger is too low, and I took it to the homie that did my housework, and he like bent the freaking hanger, so like it was sitting high and it wasn't rattling anymore whenever he was moving with his hand. But the second I hit a pothole, like when I got out of his shop, they started doing that shit again. So I'm gonna have to go back with him again and see if he puts a different hanger or just, I don't know what he could do to fix it, because that's just annoying. It rattles and I hate how it sounds. But as I was saying, I want to stay more consistent with the YouTube videos and shit. So I mean, we all have all kinds of trucks right there. Like I said, we have a lot of trucks I haven't done the videos on, like 2-3 trucks. So just let me know what you guys want to see videos on, what kind of content you guys want to see, so I gotta try to push out as much content as possible. You know, like I want to do a full breakdown build on my truck, like the way I did on my dad's, because I've done it on my truck before, but I mean, it was when I kind of first started doing the YouTube, so I would talk a little bit quieter. I was a little more shy and shit, you know, camera shy. But and that time I did it on my truck, it was kind of rushed. Like me and my girlfriend recorded that video like in 10 minutes. So I want to make another video where I go in depth, like about my truck, the performance mods. I show you guys like the rolls, you know, 40 roll, 60 roll, digs and stuff. And I could even do one where I show the full interior, like everything together. I know I've done that before, but you know, just to show you guys, be more in depth. There's people boxing over here. What the fuck's going on over here? But just to show you guys like an in-depth build, basically build breakdown, so you guys, if anyone's interested in getting a full bolt-on truck, see what you're getting into, you know, how it feels, like if it's fast, because I know not everybody has fucking $14,000 to throw into boost, you know, like I know I didn't, that's why I didn't go with boost right away, and I haven't gone with boost, you know. Eventually I'm gonna do it, but there's just a lot of money to spend right now. But yeah, well, like I said, I could film content on my dad's truck. If you guys want to see videos of me and my dad's truck going up against each other, I could film content on all kinds of stuff. You guys could just let me know what you guys want to see. I have my brother's truck, obviously, you know. We got my dad's other single cab Silverado, the white one that I've kind of showed you guys here and there in some of the videos. It's a 2021 single cab short bed, so V8. Obviously that one's not fast, that's more of a show truck, but I can show you guys videos on that one. It has a badass sound system, so I could try to film all kinds of videos. Just let me know what you guys want to see. I know there's gonna be another drag race event going down at the Paris track, I think April 4th. So I'm gonna try to record a video on that. Probably go with my homies real quick. I'm pretty sure by that time the homie with the ESS truck is gonna hopefully have it ready. So I'll see if he wants to go. I don't know if he's gonna be wanting to do like back-to-back pulls now. Like when you're making more power, you could risk braking some shit, you know. But maybe he'll do like a little hit just for fun. But yeah, like I said, I can film all kinds of content. Just let me know what you guys want to see. This guy here with the homie real quick. It's the homie's truck. Nice color right here. I fuck with this color. It's called like pepper, red pepper, hot pepper, something like that. It's a nice truck. It looks good with all the chrome on it. It has a velocity stack on his too. Think about putting that shit on mine. I hear it gives it more power. Like better top end with the velocity stack. I'm thinking about it, but I kind of like my grill. I don't want to cut that shit out. I like how my grill looks. These are the new stickers I made. I'm gonna be selling these if you guys are interested. That's just not a team. People keep asking me if that's like the Red Line Racing is like a team I made for trucks, but it's not. It's just like a little brand that I'm making. Sell clothes and shit. I'm just representing them on my truck. It's Red Line Racing. It's not a team. I might do like a little team just for me and my homies, but for now it's not a team. Anyone could buy these stickers. We got shirts coming out too and everything. Alright guys, so I've just been talking to the homie. We came to Mexico real quick. We're gonna get a little fun rowing, fun dig. Just for fun, you feel me? Like, see how it goes. But I mean, it's a little sketchy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm all whispering and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna try to record for you guys right now. We're just waiting for some cars to finish passing. And then we're gonna try to do a little dig. This fool lives over here near Mexico, so we just pulled up real quick. You feel me? Let's cross the border real quick and shit. A long ass line to cross. I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you.
I heard.
Really?
Yeah. I'm a cameraman.
I bet. Low-key on my ass, so I ain't even gonna lie, he was on my ass. That was a good little roller, good little dig. I get scared of being out here with. Alright, so that was just a little dig that we did. I don't hear that fool's honks, I don't know why. I'm gonna see if he wants me to honk it right now, because I didn't hear his honks for shit. So we're probably gonna do one more little dig. Just for fun, he was on my ass, because he doesn't have headers, I do. He was on my ass, I ain't even gonna lie. So I gotta do weight reduction on my truck. My truck's too heavy. I have a lot of shit in it. But yeah, it was a pretty good one. We're gonna try it again right now. But yeah, like I said, my truck has headers, he doesn't. We're on the same setup, just he don't got headers and I do. So see how that shit goes again. But yeah, that was a pretty good one. We're gonna do one more. I'm gonna see if he wants me to honk it this time, because I really didn't hear his honks for shit, man. Unless I go on this side away from his exhaust, because I was right next to his fucking exhaust. You want me to?
Yeah.
Oh no. Damn, my water bottle went fly. Good runs, some good runs right there. Alright, so I was able to get on both runs, but I mean, not by a lot of shit. He was on my ass. I didn't even go cap, so I'm surprised when we both were on the same setup before I had headers on my shit. On one run, we were literally neck and neck, and on one, I'd pull a little bit ahead and he'd start beating me top end because he actually has ported manifold. I don't. So I mean, it's some pretty close runs for a dig. Fuck, we both like have the same exact fucking diff setup, like everything, same gearing. So I ain't gonna lie, that shit was pretty good. I'm gonna see if he wants to get some rolls. But yeah, that was pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. so that was the end of the video. I just got back from Mexico. Like you said, me and the homie were just fucking chopping it up. I haven't talked to that fool in a while, so we're just talking about truck shit and other stuff we got going on in our lives. But we did go to Mexico, as you guys can see. Had some little fun runs with the fool. It was impressive though. Like I said, I have headers, he doesn't. He just cat deletes, so it's impressive. His truck is keeping up. It's pretty good. My truck is heavy as shit though, so that means my truck, I gotta do weight reduction. I'm gonna take off the big ass speaker I have. We have another small one that's just 110 or 112 that goes behind the passenger, so I might swap that out because my speaker box is pretty heavy, so I'm gonna swap that out, and then I'll probably just do a little weight reduction here and there, nothing crazy, you know. But I do gotta make this bitch be lighter because my shit gotta be moving. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, I hope you guys comment down below. Let me know what type of content you guys want to see. Like, I have a bunch of content I could do for you guys, like anything, you know, like freaking racing, meets, videos on my dad's other trucks, more videos on my truck, a video on my dad's Whipple truck. Like, whatever you guys want to see, just let me know. You know, my homie's gonna get his ESS truck soon, so we're gonna do a review on that truck. So whatever you guys want to see, just let me know. Make hella videos out of anything you guys want. So let me know. Hope you guys keep watching, enjoy, like the video, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.